Hi guys. Now you're gonna see my account. I only need some Robux and a team. So sub and like. Now we are breaching factory. If we die, we die. If no, no. Subscribe and like the video. Mayusimay marong kal. Now let's go. Wait, I'm gonna eat first. If I can see my profile. Nothing. Wait, this scan, scan, scan. So you can see my username. Okay. Ma-play now, Black Fruit. Wait, wait. I'm in mobile. My cell phone is laggy. Is lag. Is lag. Is lag. My cell phone is lag. I'm can see. My level is 1,000. Wait, wait, wait. My level is 1,000. Pirate mode. I'm gonna go past mode. 1,012. I nearly got full aura. I got portal and dragon breath. Now I'm gonna go grind. Oh, I'm gonna attack the factory. Wait, I'm gonna go. I'm in Snow Mountain. Please, anyone can help me? I only got 1,147 fragments and 263,000 belly. I got Angel P2. Now we're gonna attack Pain 5k likes, 5k likes, 4k likes, 3k likes, 1k likes, 500 likes, 200, 100. Rocket 1 like. This account has been. Now we're gonna attack the factory. Wait, I'm gonna go portal. May portal was dire is 203. Let's go. Wait, I'm gonna dash. I'm gonna die. I need Robux to buy private server. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye everyone. Peace.